Somebody asked me the other day, is there any way on my iPhone to take a screenshot other than finding the two buttons and getting my fingers coordinated to push them both at the same time to take a screenshot? And yes, there is. There's two ways, actually. One is called back tap, and it is really cool. It doesn't seem to work very well on my particular phone. It worked great on my last phone. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say that you have a map up. I have a map, and I like the map of where we are, which is in between the Philippines and Manila. So I want to take a screenshot of that map. Rather than finding the right buttons, I can triple tap or double tap on the back. There, did you see that? I triple tapped on the back of my phone and it took a screenshot. Way cool, right? But notice, or I want to point out that my cover is not on my phone. I cannot get that back tap feature to work with the cover on. But if it works on yours, it's worth a try. The way you set it up is in settings, and then it's under accessibility, and it's called back tap. It's way down here somewhere. And then touch. And then at the bottom here, back tap must be on, and then you can specify something different for double tap and for triple tap. Screenshot is the only thing I want, so I set both of them to be screenshot. You can see all the possibilities here, but I set both my double tap and my triple tap to be screenshot. And if it works on your phone, well, then congratulations. It is a wonderful way to take screenshots. But if it doesn't, all is not lost. You just have to build a shortcut that you can use. Let me explain what I mean there. I have set up a shortcut. Do you know what shortcuts are? Shortcut is this little icon right here. And it's kind of like building a macro. For those of you who've been around for a while, macros were little programs. So you can create a shortcut. So here are all of my existing shortcuts. I want to make a new shortcut. You tap the plus. And then you say, well, what do you want the shortcut to do? I want it to take a screenshot. So I will search see if there is an action for screenshot. And sure enough, there's an action called take screenshot. Cool. Let's try that. I will go back, and I now have a shortcut for take screenshot. But where do I want that? I want that accessible on my control center. So the control center is what happens when you scroll down from the top right and you have all these buttons. I want to add a button. You touch and hold on the little plus in the top right, add a control. The control that you want to add is the shortcut you just made. Shortcuts. Run shortcut. Choose what shortcut you want to run. The one I just created called Take Screenshot. Okay. I should be done, but I don't see a done. Okay, I just tapped outside of it, and now the Take a Screenshot button is on my control center, and I'm done. What do you do on an iPhone when you're done with something? You swipe up from the bottom. Okay, so now I want to go to a map, and I want to take a screenshot. There's still one more problem, you'll see. Swipe down from the top right, take a screenshot. Oops, what did it just take a screenshot of? My control screen, my control panel. So I have to add a delay to that command and then go back to the map. So how do I do that? I need to go to the shortcuts, take a screenshot, and the three dots. And I need to add an action. Oh, I think it was called wait. Isn't that smart? Wait 1 second. 1 or 2 seconds, but I want that to be 4. So touch and hold and drag it above. You're creating a little program here. I found I'll make it 2 seconds, but 1 second might be enough, and you can come back in and change it. So I have now changed that command to wait for 2 seconds. So now let's try going to a map. I want to take a screenshot, swipe down from the top right, take screenshot, swipe back off. Ha! We got it. Now, that was a bit of work, but once it's done, it's done. Now you have a take a screenshot button from anywhere, as long as you know to swipe off, and it took a screenshot of whatever was on the screen before your control center. Oh boy.